Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas here on my channel. I just got home, so it's about 4 o'clock right now, and I have some errands I need to run, so I'm going to take you along on that. I need to go to Ulta, I want to go to Target, I need to go to my mom's to pick up some packages because I have packages, PR packages sent to her house. So yeah, I have things I need to do. First, I need to switch up my calendar to say 16. Okay, so now that is on 16 days. And then, I want to turn my Christmas tree lights on. Even though it's still light out, it's still nice to have the lights on for the ambiance. Oh wait, is this one is, yeah, 2. See, just makes it so much better. And then that one too. Yeah, those are good. So like I said, I do need to run a couple errands that I'm gonna take you along with, do a little bit of Christmas shopping because I meant to do that over the weekend, but I had a little car situation, so I had to get some new tires, and that kind of cut into my errand time. But I plan on doing that today, and I'll take you along. First, I wanted to share a drink that I got. I've been really enjoying getting this drink at Dunkin' Donuts. There's a Dunkin' Donuts by my work. It's the only one near me, at least by my work. I don't have one near where I live. So after work, I went to Dunkin'. I just placed a pickup order. I got the largest one because I need this right now for what I needed, all the things I need to take care of. But this is like the cookie butter. Oh geez, I should probably look up the name. Cookie butter cloud latte. I can never remember that name. I almost had it though. It's halfway there. But this is the cookie butter cloud latte. It's really good. They put little like cookie crumbles on the top, which are delicious. And I did get this one on my way home from work. So, and they have the cutest cups. Like, look how cute they are. I actually have pink stuff. I should probably take this off. But yeah, it's so cute. So yeah, this is the only thing that I really get at Dunkin', because I don't really care for the donuts. Sorry, but don't care for them. I like just like normal, like a little mom and pop donut shop. But yeah, it's really, really good. And it's a seasonal drink, so it's under the holiday drinks. It's very tasty. I love it. So I'm going to enjoy that. And I'm going to do a couple things around the house because I'm not going to go do errands quite. Not yet. Maybe in like an hour. So I have some things I want to take care of here. I need to take the trash out. I need to take the recycling out. I have things I need to get out of this place. And then a couple of things I want to do. And then I can head to the store and then head to my mom's and show you all those things. I want to share my Christmas tree in my office. So I moved into this place earlier this year. So I haven't spent a Christmas here until this is my first Christmas in this place. I moved into this apartment because I needed a 2-bedroom. It's because I needed an office space because I didn't have that in my last apartment. So now I have an office space, and one of the things I wanted was a Christmas tree, and I have no floor space. Like, I don't really have room for it on, like, against a wall or anything for a tree, but I was able to put one on my desk, just sitting on my desk. It's a 5-foot Christmas tree, so it worked. It's very nice. It's perfect, actually. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. So this is my Disney theme tree. So I have all Disney ornaments here. I have some that I got in Paris, some that I've got at the parks here in Disneyland in California, like that chip one I got in California. I love the Sleeping Beauty movie. Aurora is my favorite princess, so that's the cake that the fairy godmothers were making. Oh, this one, the Chip and Dale one, is really cute. I got that one in Paris this year. This one I got in Disneyland here in California. I love this one too, the Beast, when he's all done up. It's so cute. I got that one here at our parks in California. That one was from Paris. This one's one of my favorites. I love them all, but this one was from Paris. And it's Marie from the Aristocats. Love that. And then here's another one. So as you can see, Disney, got some mini ears, Disney themed tree. And then I just have some, like, because I don't have a lot of Disney ornaments because I just started this tree, I just have some pink ornaments to fill it in. But eventually I'll want just like all Disney ornaments, but I'll be collecting from here on out. Actually I have one more ornament I need to add. So I just got this one on my last trip to Disney, which was it last weekend? I think it was last weekend. I can't remember. But I got this one at the parks here in California. And there's actually one other ornament I might want to pick up if I can find it when I go again. But this one it's a snowflake and it's got little Mickey ears. So cute. So yeah, my goal for this tree again is to just get Disney ornaments and to have different ornaments. Like I don't want any matching like pairs or anything. So everything's gonna be unique and different. And yeah, that's my goal. So yeah, that's the tree. Now this one is not controlled by the remote that I control the other ones. This one is controlled by this wand. Let's see if it works because sometimes it's been kind of glitchy. So we'll see if I can get it to work. No, I feel like it gets camera shy, honestly. So let's see. Okay, so that's how it lights up. And then to turn it off, that's how you turn it off. Okay, it was totally glitching on me earlier, so I'm happy it's finally working, but let's see if it does it again. I think my batteries are bad. I might have to check the batteries, but that's fine. Okay, so I turned on. Oh, actually I need to turn it on. Actually, what am I doing? There you go. There it is. It's so pretty. So pretty. And even though the wand frustrates me sometimes, it's totally worth it. But I got this at Target. I know it sold out pretty quick. But love that. Oh, you know what? Let me put my ornament up. So I have this one. I think I want to put it, let's see, where should it go? I feel like I want to put it up a little high. I might go up like in this spot here. Move that bow maybe somewhere else. I'm going to rearrange it a little bit. So let me do that real quick. Okay, I had to turn the lights on in the room because it's starting to get dark. But I put it up there. There's the snowflake. It's so cute. Yeah, I can't wait to get more ornaments just to fill it up. And yeah, just fill it up with a bunch of different Disney themed ornaments. So fun. Oh, I wanted to share something I mentioned yesterday. I was working on an unboxing yesterday in yesterday's vlog of this new Peanuts box from the Happy Planner. It's really, really cute. I just realized it's sold out, but you're able to input your email if you want to be notified when it restocks. But it's super adorable. The flip through the unboxing is going to be on my channel. It should be up by now. But I absolutely love all the products. And this one, the cover of this, it says do what makes you happy, and this cover just makes me happy, so love that. Yeah, there's washi, there's a pen, there's stickers. These notepads are super cute. Lots of goodies here. So yeah, I was working on that yesterday, and that video, like I said, should be up to watch now. Oh, and I got a question about this little basket that I have on my counter. So I have this I got in the toy section at Target, a little mini Target basket. And in here, I just put things that like randomly will be around the place and I just need to find a home for it or put it away. So I have a bunch of things in here that I just need to go through and put away. I haven't done that yet. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So you'll see me putting all this stuff away. But yeah, I just have random little bits in there that I need to just take care of. But that's why I have this here. Just a little like a little bin that I can just throw it in. And once it gets full enough, like it is right now, I will take care of it. So yeah, tomorrow's vlog, I'll take care of that. I'm getting ready to leave and I actually need to take my Christmas binder because I need to go shopping for some gifts. And in this binder, I have all the people I'm shopping for and I have the money that I am going to be spending on them for their Christmas gifts. And then I also have some Christmas envelopes and holiday decor. If you don't follow my cash budgeting stuff, this is how I budget. And I saved all year for my Christmas gifts for this year. So I have all the money ready to go. I'm probably going to be buying my nephew Aiden his gift, which I'll get at Target. And then my niece, I will be getting her gift because I need to go to Ulta and buy myself something. Actually, I'm buying her something I'm buying for myself. So I'll be buying 2 of these items when I go, and also some cleanser. Oh, actually I need to get my beauty envelope. I have lots of envelopes for different categories, so I need my beauty envelope, which I have $45 in here, so I will be able to buy my cleanser. I also have a gift card that I got from using the Fetch app. I have a $50 Ulta gift card, which is going to allow me to buy that item, the lotion that I like to buy over there. It's a little pricey, so that gift card helps a lot. But yeah, I need to buy a couple of things at Ulta, and then I'll probably also go to, I need hand soap because I'm running low. And I don't have seasonal hand soap. I always like, again, a seasonal stuff, and don't have any seasonal hand soap. So not like me. But yeah, I'm gonna go probably use household. Yeah, I'll use household. I have 59 in there. I like to get the ones at Bath and Body Works, the foaming one. So I will go there, get some hand soap. Okay, those are the 3 places I'm going to, and then I will go to my mom's, pick up my packages, and then that should probably be it. So yeah, let me get all this ready and head out. All right, I am heading out. I'm like halfway done with my drink. So good. So I'm gonna take this along with me and then head to the stores, do a little bit of shopping, and hopefully not get home too late so I can upload this video and it's not, well, it's gonna be up super late, but that's fine. That's fine.
Hello.
These are so cute. I don't even like Crocs. These are so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one for my niece. Okay, I'm gonna do the purple because I don't think it'll get as dirty. It's so cute. So I have to get her a hand sanitizer. Okay, so I probably should do purple or pink would be cute. Berry Bliss lavender. I like the contrast, so I'll do the pink. And this is a good scent. Okay, there's all the purchases for me and my niece. Okay, got the goods. I got such a good deal on this stuff. I had a coupon for like 20% off, and then my gift card. I ended up spending like 90 bucks on all this. So it was originally 180 something. Yeah, amazing deal.
Special perks like exclusive offers, sneak peeks, and you can redeem rewards for so many of the products you love, up to $295 value. You can even earn extra points when you download our fresh new app. So don't miss your trade.
Okay, I'm here for one thing. There it is. Okay, I lied. Not just one thing. I also want this little box. I'm gonna pick that up with my Christmas money. It's a little organizer box. I think that'll be really cute to have. To put like tape and ribbon and scissors and all that kind of stuff. And this, got the Mona Lisa. We went to Paris and we saw Mona Lisa in person, so I'm glad he wants this because it's a cute little gift to commemorate us doing that this year. Okay, I'm gonna price match it because online it's $80.99. I am still amazed by my Ulta haul. I got all this stuff and it was 20% off, which was really good. Actually, I just thought, like, you know, is there a coupon? Let me check my email. And I saw a coupon. It said 20% off of everything. So I was like, really? And it worked. So I got 20% off of everything. Plus I had a $50 gift card. So for me, this basically paid for that for me. And I got this to replenish what I have because I'm running low on that. And then I got one for my niece because I know I remember she had mentioned she liked this. So, because I had mine out when I was visiting and she said she really liked that. So I got her one. And then I found these. I kind of want this for myself. So I'm not like a Croc person, but I love this. This is so adorable. It's so cute. And I think they also come in pink, and there's a blue, and then there was the white, but I only saw the purple and the white at the store I went to. I always use Touchland. They're expensive, but honestly, they're really, really good. They last a while. And like I said, they're good. They smell good. They don't dry up your hands. I don't know. They're just good. It's a good hand sanitizer. And I love this little case for it. I think I might have to go pick one up for me. I'll have to look for like the pink one. I think I want the pink one. And then I got her this one, but since everything, I didn't know that it was going to be 20% off when I went to the register. I think I might go pick her up another one, like the purple one, so she'll have 2 for this. This will last forever. Well, not forever, but it lasts a very long time. I think there's like 500 sprays in here. It's a lot of sprays. So yeah, I just thought this was really, really cute. So from her Christmas money, I budgeted $75 for her Christmas budget, but it's also her birthday on Christmas Eve. So I have that too that I'm going to combine. But just with the Christmas money, I spent about $65 thanks to having that 20% off. So I think I can go pick her up another one of these for her. And then I will just have her birthday money left to spend for the rest of the gifts. So this will be like her Christmas present, and then I'll have a birthday gift for her birthday. But yeah, that was a really, really good deal. Oh, and then I got this. This is so cute. Can't wait to like put that together. Actually been using this little bin, which has been serving its purpose, but this will be better because it's more Christmassy and it matches all my storage totes. Like I have all red storage totes for all my Christmas stuff. So that'll go very nicely with that. And I have like ribbon, tape, and I could put scissors and all like the things you need to have on hand for Christmas. And the last thing I wanted to do, I did go to my mom's. I didn't film that part, but I did go to my mom's and I got my package that I was waiting for that I'm actually going to film right now after I'm done uploading this video. It is PR items from the Happy Planner, and it's from their new winter release. So we'll just do a little sneak. Yes, I did get it. Okay. I'm so excited. I was hoping I was going to get sent this. Look how cute that is. Okay, so we got Disney stuff, lots of planners. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm going to work on a flip. Oh my goodness, this is a big unboxing actually of this. This is all stuff that you can currently get right now. So if you like Minnie, there's a really cute Minnie line. There's other lines. It's not just Disney. But we got lots of things here that, oh, this collection's cute too. Productive AF. So cute. But yeah, I'm going to unbox all this and you'll see that video up tomorrow. All right. So I think that's where I'm going to leave it because it's been a long day and I still have work I need to finish and I still need to get ready for tomorrow for work and take a shower and do all those fun things. But yeah, just wanted to say thank you for enjoying these videos because I got a lot of nice comments yesterday. So I really, really appreciate everybody enjoying these videos because they do take time to make. It's very time consuming. Since it's a different format for me when it comes to filming, but I do enjoy making these videos. So I'm happy that you're enjoying watching them. So thank you so much. That is going to be it for today, for day 2, episode 2 of Vlogmas here on my channel. But yeah, thank you. Hope you have a great rest. Well, good night, good morning, good afternoon, whenever it is that you're watching this video. And I will see you tomorrow for day 3.